Hey everyone, it's Thomas Stories Man, and welcome to the first video of 2026. Today is a very special item. It is the new Oliver and Toad from the new Thomas and Friends show coming out later this year, and we're gonna unbox it. So come have a look. So as you can see, this is Oliver and Toad in the box. So if you don't know what's going on with the Thomas franchise, they're having a now. If you've seen All Engines Go recently or whatever, they are not doing any more seasons right now because no one's watching it. I mean, I didn't watch it when it came out. I just watched. When was the last time I watched the series? Maybe the hit era, maybe the good era. Anyway, so they had a new Thomas and Friends. They had All Engines Go, which came out 2023, 2024. Or maybe 2021 or 2 or whatever. But sadly, that wasn't doing the numbers that it was. I think it did. I'm not sure, I never watched the show. But they are cancelling it because we fans, as we know, it's not really a Thomas show. It's more like a Hot Wheels show with Thomas and Friends in it, and that's not okay for fans like me and fellow Thomas fans in person. So they're doing this new Thomas show, which will come out this year in October, and they have already started the merchandise line. As one of my YouTubers told me, they did there's stuff out in stores right now. You can go out and get as much new Thomas merch as you like. I've got a few more new Thomas stuff I'd like to show you guys. I've got this, and I've got Thomas. Yeah, I think I got Thomas. I got a few Truckmaster ones too, and you will see them soon. And yeah. So here we are, guys. This is the Oliver and Toad pack, and as you see, Toad and Oliver are facing each other, but in the actual show, Toad is meant to be facing away from Oliver. Like if I just do that, then they're supposed to be like that, but somehow they've done it like, oh, I guess they don't connect. Okay, that's good. So what one should we do first? Okay, I guess I'll do Toad. Now, I really, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, Toad actually looks pretty good. Now, this Toad, like my other Toad that I have, he's really quite, how can I describe it? He's really like, well, first off, I'm actually glad they actually brought a bit of merchandise out for the new Thomas show, if I'm being honest with you. As you can see, his Toad, here's his face, there's the Brickman, Toad Brickman from well, I guess all eras of the show, well, apart from Hit Entertainment and the early CGI seasons. So, as I'm trying to explain, Toad actually look really good, right down to his face, as you can see it. Now, this Toad is bigger. He is more bigger than the smaller Toad, which I've got in my collection. The smaller Toad I've got is like it's like small, but the other Toad which I've got is called what's the other line? My Toad is more bigger than Toad. This is, I'm gonna stay in the middle if I'm being honest. So sorry, ladies and gentlemen, all I've got to broke off the side. So let's have a look at his face. So Okay, he kind of looks a bit like, if I go here, he's like, he kind of has a bit like a Goku face. Yeah, or maybe a Daisy face, if you guys, know your punk law. He kind of looks a bit like, Goku or Daisy's face. But the detailing, oh my god, the detailing is fantastic. And even though, now, the face is not really that good. Like, the other Toad I have, he's got a smiley face. Oh, sorry, Toad, just dropped it there. He has a smiley face. This face kind of looks like, the angry, the Spiteful Break Band from season 2. Did they ever make any merchandise for that character? I think they did, maybe, the Wooden Railway Line, maybe? I'm not sure. But he kinda has, the, the Chosen Break Band place, but this Toad looks really detailed and, really good, if I'm being honest, but I don't know. I just don't really like the face guys, I'm sorry, but these Thomas toys, if you get the Thomas toys, and if you do your own stuff, like, oh, what happened to the faces, what happened to the faces, or what happened to the trucks or the coaches, they have new faces and they don't really look that good, if I'm being honest. I went to my my YouTube video, Big Thomas, and he said the faces don't really look that good. But out of 10, it's not. I go 5 out of 10 for Toad because it's not bad. I like that he has the breakband and he has lots of details, including the roof. But that's enough about Toad. Let's have a look at his engine. Oliver. Now, I have to say, Oliver is a bit bigger than my other Oliver. He kind of looks a bit like this. Oliver kind of looks like Thomas a bit, if you think about it. You see, beside here, ladies and gentlemen, he kind of looks like Thomas. Yeah, he kind of looks like Thomas a bit. Maybe because they have like the same. He kind of looks like maybe Thomas and Duck a bit. Here he is. From the new show, it's the same toy. Still has lots of lovely details. He still has his lovely green paint, and he also has his number 11 on the side of his tank. Now, this Oliver is really good in detail. It looks really, really nice, and yeah, and it just looks nice in general. Oh my gosh. Oliver, what happened to you, mate? Oh, geez. So, ladies and gentlemen, here is Oliver. Now, I really, really don't like this face, man. I just don't. It kind of looks like, it kind of looks like someone just took Percy's face and put it on an Oliver toy. Put it on Oliver, if you know what I mean. Maybe Thomas's face, yeah. It's not meant to be like a Thomas face, maybe a Percy face. Yeah, so he has, this is not Oliver, this is a Percy, they must have took a Percy face or a Thomas face and just put it on the Oliver and said, oh, here's Oliver and Toad, we're gonna cook these, we're gonna cook these in a pack and no one will be able to tell all the faces. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this definitely looks like Percy, but overall, the toy doesn't really look that bad. If I get my, other, oh my god, could you get my other, so ladies and gentlemen, I have brought my, other Oliver that I got online and code, and I'm just gonna make a little comparisons, and also code. I got these from Amazon. Yeah, I got Code and Oliver from Amazon. This was my third, second Oliver and Code that I got. Yep, this is my second Oliver and Code that I have. And I'm just gonna do a little comparison of the faces here. So, so, if I take oh, sorry, ladies and gentlemen. So, if I take my Oliver, this is the regular Oliver face that you see right here, and then you got the new one that I bought yesterday, and the faces are totally different. Like, this is meant to be Oliver's. The Oliver I have is meant to be this Oliver's face. This is a completely different face. Now, I know they're trying to make the show a bit more, I don't know how you want to explain it. Like, they're trying to take this face. They're trying to get the original face that we all grew up with as children and try to replace it with this face. Now, I don't really, it all depends if you like the faces or not. Me, I'm not really sure, because we haven't really seen the show yet, and since coming out later this year, I just don't know, but maybe we'll get used to it over time. And yeah, so this is the original Oliver, and this is the new Oliver that I got. And I'm not really sure what to make of this face. If I put them together like so here, you can't really tell each other apart. And this code, hang on, ladies and gentlemen, let me just get my code. Oh, okay, so yeah, regular code, new code. Do you try to see what I'm trying to do? And this code is completely bigger than this code. And yeah, let's talk about the size here as well. Everything in this new Thomas range is more bigger than the old stuff you get as children. Like, you can just buy an Oliver and Toad like this, and they will come very small. And now they're trying to do like big stuff like this Oliver and Toad. Do you think they look better this way, or do they look better as they originally came? Like, when I used to collect these back in the day, they would come like this, and they would just be small. Like, you would get a small engine, and the car or the truck or coach you get with it would be like this. But overall, I don't think this Toad. Well, I don't think this Toad face is bad. I don't think so, because I grew up with the well, not every Thomas show, but I grew up with the original show, and then I grew up with the entertainment and the CGI. It's funny now how, like, you can watch something, and yeah. So sorry, I'm mixing my Olivers up. Oh, sorry, ladies and gentlemen. It's strange how you can go from something like this that we all grew up with, and we all grew up with this, and now we're getting a new show, and they're bringing out stuff like this, which is very strange. But overall, this Oliver and Toad isn't bad. You should definitely get it in your collection. I'm not a fan of the faces, but the body structure of this Oliver, it's more bigger than this one, and I know Mattel are trying to get us children to buy these toys and just have fun and not judge the show, but if you are a really good Thomas fan, and you grew up with the original show by David Mitton and Grillcroft, and you grew up with them, and the hit entertainment rubbish and the CGI, then that's fine. But I just want to make something very clear. No matter how much they will make something as timeless as Thomas or Postman Pat or Han Tan, they reboot them, and it sells well, then it sells well, like the like a season 13, was it season, no, season 17, sorry, to season 20. Now that was good, and then we just switched over like to season 20 to now, and now they've made All Let You Go, which doesn't sell well, and now they're creating this new show which will be in October. But I want to know, guys, do you like these new Thomas toys? Me, I'm not sure. I love the body structure, but I don't really like the faces. But I would definitely recommend these. If what would my score out of 10 would be? I would say a 6. Yeah, I'm gonna go 5. Actually, yeah, let's go 5.5 of these two. And I'm glad they're bringing Oliver back. I'm glad they're gonna do all characters. And what do you guys think of the new show coming out in October? I'll definitely be watching it, and I know my YouTuber will be. And yep, that's all from me today. That's all from me, guys, for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I've got some more stuff hitting your way. I've got some more stuff coming on the way. Maybe I'll do it on the weekend, or maybe next week. But I just want to say thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, hashtag Thomas Stories Fan, and I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, this is Thomas Stories Fan, signing out.